Greetings, everyone, with Ray Ferraro downstairs and Eddie Olczyk upstairs. I'm Mike Emery. Tonight, we bring you a matchup you're going to like. And as we approach game time, here's Eddie.
These two teams both need the W here tonight. I can see them playing it safe early, but the question is, which team will make the first mistake?
Another terrific night of hockey here. Our game is underway with that faceoff. Frölunda's setting things up along the boards. Puck loose because of that hit. And he's held up against the boards. Takes that pass. Wonderful wrist shot. Good save there. Great opportunity, but the pass didn't connect. Looking to Bergenheim. Strong play, good reach. It's on his stick up that left side. Gains the zone. Not through. Wrister. Frölunda's in control of the puck in their own end and readying an attack. Great shooting lane. That shot came from right in front.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
They win the draw. Snapped off a wrist shot. Punched away. A whistle and a rest. A little under 5 minutes off the clock. Nothing on the scoreboard has changed. Still a pair of zeros. Lin Xiaoping's got a defensive zone win. To Billens. Moved along and in. Frölunda's finding its way to center ice. Got it at the point. And we get a penalty. The referee to the table, a player to the box. Anderson's going to the box, and the call is tripping.
Oh, this is clearly a tripping call. He made no attempt to play the puck and took the legs out from the attacking player.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number one. Good face-off win.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty, 6 minutes.
The power play unit has to recoil and try yet again. Good standing poke check. Gets in. What'll he do? Shoots one. He covers and holds on. Quick work on the faceoff. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. Lets it go. Score! A short-handed goal.
No hesitation at all. He fired home that wrist shot.
Gustafson's presenting himself pretty largely here. However, there's still room for the puck to beat him.
That is the first goal scored after a lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
It's a face-off win. May not seem important in that territory, but they have possession. Lets it go. Paddled aside. Sends to the point. And that one went offside. They've got the draw. He gains the zone. Puck's loose off the enemy this time. Good pass, and he looks ahead from the right wing. Frölunda's power play unit let them down this time. It was a chance to tie the game.
Well, that power play really didn't do them much good, did it? Now they still trail by a goal. While they had a decent power play, they don't get the tying goal that they're looking for.
Carried to the corner by Bergenheim. Propelled to Lundqvist. That shot came from just 6 inches.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Clips a wrister. Terrific shot, but a great point-blank save. Gets in, looks over his options here. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. A shot. Oh, what a chance, what a save. Lin Choping's trying to pry it free along the boards. Puck loose, now picked up. 2 sticks together, it goes to the offense. Moving it now in center ice. Not a free puck now. Lin Choping's in possession as they travel along the boards. Shoots one, and off target with that one.
Well, that doesn't miss by much, Doc. The one-timer skims wide of the net, but that puck was wobbling when it got to him.
Lugged along the line. Trying for it. He scores!
You always have to know where the puck is on the ice. Be ready, and he one-timed it in.
That looks like it almost went right through him, Enzo. Just above the pad, he's in the butterfly. It's on the low glove side. It's a save a goalie should make.
Over 4 minutes to go in the period. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Frolunda's carrying it along the side. Picks it up back there. Gets in. What'll he do? Frolunda's setting things up at center. Steps, but score! And it's a 1-goal game.
You get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
Gustafson's in the butterfly trying to take away the percentages, but he doesn't cover the net.
And that's a face-off win.
Scored by number 12.
Looking for some help back in his own end. Lin Choping's on the moves.
Time of the goal, 17 minutes.
Nearing the final minute of play. Chipped off the boards and ahead. He scores! Whose turn is next?
He worked himself into a good scoring area and let it go on the backhand.
And so I think it's the quick release that fools the goaltender. He just gets a little piece of it, not near enough to stop it.
And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. Frölunda's in their own end and in possession. Knocked it away with the stick. In their own end, still have control.
5 seconds.
Fires a shot. Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a faceoff right near it. The opening period has been completed, and they head to the locker room separated by 2.
Fans, tonight, the home team Bloom is dropping $50 gift certificates to Delvin's. Proud sponsor of tonight's game. With 70 stores and 14 restaurants, Delvin's.
Carlson's marker made this a 2-goal lead for his team. Intermission is next. Puck dropped and the clock moving in the second period. Looking to headman up the wing. Play is whistled down. It is offside. And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it. And he skates it back to regroup. Right in front. Great save in close.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Lin Choping's looking to head man up the wing. Skilled play by Bergenheim. He chipped that one off the boards and ahead. Not a hard hit, but effective. It's lost. Carries it to the corner. Loose puck. There was no getting through. Shoots one. And a save. And snapped up by Bergenheim. Frölunda's moving to center. Gains the zone. Goes to the backhand. Score! They're back to within 1.
Oh, he had his choice and he decided to go to the backhand.
Enzo, this has got to be a great shot because from my angle, there doesn't look like a lot of net. Even with the goaltender down, he seems to have most of it covered.
Frölunda's gotten a goal here to get back to within a single goal with lots of time left in the game. We're still in the second. They've won the faceoff. He's got that one. Let's see what happens.
Assisted by number 3 and by number 50.
Has it back deep.
Time of the goal, 4 minutes, 40.
A shot. Score! They struck back fast, didn't they?
The shooter had a couple of different options here. He could pass or shoot. He decided on the latter and beat the goaltender clean.
His technique is good. The butterfly is really solid. He just gets beaten with a better shot here.
Lin Choping's goal gives them a lead by 2. Raises a question, too, here in the second period. Do they start to play it a little conservative, or do they go at him and try and make this 3 right away?
Tony Mortensen assisted.
He's in on an onside play.
Time of the goal, 5 minutes, 50 seconds.
Good use of the stick, broke that pass up. Using the point. Offside is called. Somebody got over anxious there. A little over 7 minutes have been skated so far. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. Flings it off his glove. He knifed it away. Pass off the woodwork to Roy. Pushing it on up the wing. And the pickup. He's into the slot. Frölunda's controlling play now along the boards. Through the corner now. Penalty call coming. Watch for his signal here. Lin Xiaoping's got 2 on this one for tripping.
He's got great stick positioning. Stick is on the ice, but unfortunately takes the skates out from under him.
Frölunda's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. Win it.
To number 18, Jacob.
Slid to Bergenheim.
For tripping.
Shoots one. Great stick save. Lin Xiaoping's in control of the puck in neutral ice. That play is offside. No team worth its name is going to let that go.
That puck changes direction. It becomes a really difficult stop for the goaltender to make.
And they've won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. And the loose puck brought in by Lundqvist. Feeds the point. They score! It's only a 1-goal game now.
Well, he had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
Really good shot, as you mentioned, Enzo. Quickly delivered. The goalie can't get his arm up over quick enough to blocker this into the corner.
Frölunda's gotten an important goal here. They call it the proximate goal. It gets you back to within 1. And considering we're in the second period, that's a nice step.
On the power play by number 26, assisted by
Lets it go.
and by number 20, Joel Lundqvist.
Back to the point.
11 minutes, 33 seconds.
Muscled long to Donovan. That's a marvelous save.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Up the wing still with possession. That play goes offside.
Sometimes you got to be in good position just to make the stop, but you also got to be lucky. This puck changes direction and ends up hitting the goaltender more than he stops it.
Neutral zone face-off 1. Possession established here. A backhand shot. He missed the net.
The pass was just a little bit off. It wasn't on the tee for him, and as a result, he misses the net on the one-time.
Just a bit under 6 minutes still showing on the clock this period. The lead has just been cut in half. Let's see if momentum changes now. Gains the blue line. A shot. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Around through the corner. Good shooting place. Frölunda's carrying it through center. Took that pass right up the wing. Just wide. Puck picked up here. Good intercept. Thrown to the slot. Hung right over him and couldn't get it past. The drama heightens in this final minute of the second period. Wasn't intentional. Didn't go well. Loose puck. He retreats now, getting back to his own end. Up the wing and still with it. Right to the point. Save! And there's another.
I'm not sure how he stopped that first one.
And that is the end of the second period of this game. One more to go, and who knows, maybe more action beyond that.
Listen up, fans. For tonight only, all team jerseys are 15% off regular price with the presentation of your ticket stub. Get yours before they're
Lin Xiaoping's got the lead at the end of the period, and their goaltender has made a huge difference in that. Here's just an example of his body of work. We'll be right back. "40 minutes have been played. They are getting ready for the third period here. So take us back through the game. What do you think, Eddie?"
Frölunda's coaching staff, Doc, has to be pretty pleased the way they played through the first 40 minutes of play. One area of concern has been their offense. They need to take advantage of all the time of possession and finally put the puck into the back of the net.
Save! Lin Xiaoping's lugging it along in neutral ice. Let's go, Arister! Lightning in that glove. Continues on back a little further. Good work with the stick. And he picks it up. Snapping a pass to Bergenheim. Frölunda's carrying on along the boards. A shot. They score! And they've tied the game up.
Bergenheim's wrist shot was heavy and quick.
He barely slowed this down. It deflected off of him into the net.
And the face-off's won. Directing that one to Bergenheim. Gathered up again by Larson. Right there on the money, the left wing pass. He's alone. Got that in the trapper.
Oh, the hands are quicker than the glove. Great save.
Just under 5 minutes have transpired in the third. The winds have shifted yet again. This game is back in a tie. And he pushes it on through mid-ice. Shoots. Great glove save, but it's loose. Back on his stick. At the front of the net. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net, but you gotta find a way to put the puck in the net.
Snapped it off. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. Roy's got it in the defensive zone, headed to center. And he steps across the line. Tries to get it on net. Between the blue lines. Take it to the slot. Frölunda setting things up in center. Good standing poke check by Roy. He can start some danger here. And didn't have time, but he saved it anyway. Looking for options up the wing. Into the attacking end. Saved off the mask.
Now you got to wonder with that save in the mask is if it's going to affect him down the road.
And let's hear again from Ray.
An excellent passer. He's putting on an Eddie Olczyk-like display of passing.
Thanks, Ray. Yeah, he has been remarkable in this game tonight. Fun to watch. Just over 8 minutes remaining here in the period. A hockey game is a game of lead changes. This one now is even. Loose puck, the defense was in the way. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. And he gains the zone. Mishandled thanks to the roadblock. Linköping's continuing on in their own end. Into the end of attack. Makes that play deep.
I'm not so sure any of the coaches want this game to be played like it is, but there is no slowing the scoring down. There's been great goals, bad goals, and a few in between.
Shot! Oh, what a break! That shot hit somebody. Could this be icing? And it will be, based on the defense arriving first. They won it. Now what can they do? Miss the net.
Oh, his shot had the goaltender beat, Doc. He rifled it just wide of the net.
Goes back deep for it. Shoots. You can almost count that one, but no, what a save.
Goalie's looking around the screen to try to find the puck.
Lundqvist hot tonight, and his team needed him on that one. A shot. He hit the post. Pitching this one to Bergenheim. He still has some control along the boards. He's got it. A long game, and the clock bleeds down to the final minute of regulation. A shot. Frölunda's leaving its own end. Picks it up in his own end. Deflect. No harm. Make a play along the boards. Oh, he got that. A hand to eye in center ice. Cross from one point to the other. And offside is called on the play. Coming the largest play in this game so far. The largest play. It's a draw. And they take that neutral zone face-off. Linköping's accelerating ahead through center ice. Can he generate something from there? Fröspel now as they move up the wing. A terrific bumpy road to the end of a marvelous game. At least one more dramatic face-off. This is why they spend so much time practicing draws.
Hey fans, don't forget to enter tonight for our team signed poster, which we'll give away.
Bergenheim's goal takes us to time. That's where we'll be when we come back. Sudden death overtime has started. If no one scores here, tip of the pass. On his stick in that pass from the left wing. Breakaway. Score! And the time is finished. One goes into the books. When it gets to OT, it seems like, in this case tonight, it went right for one.
The little extra plays that make all the difference.
This one was an out.